What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This video is going to be way all over the place. I'm just coming in here up front to tell you this is not how this video was going to be planned. It was supposed to be me going to Columbus to get the truck aligned, doing some other things, and we'd be picking the truck up and bringing it up here this weekend. However, it didn't work out like that. Something happened with one of the most important people in my life, so I had to turn around and come up back to Cleveland. When was that? On Tuesday, I had to turn around, come up here, figure some things out, but now we're here. So I just want to say a quick thing to all the new people on the channel. Hello, welcome. This is my 2018 Hellcat. If you haven't seen any of my other videos, we'll be bringing the Ram here very soon. Like I said, this summer is going to be all over the place. I gotta work on both these vehicles. I got a lot to do. I'm going to fill you in on some other stuff here soon as well. But the video was supposed to be me going down there to pick up the plates for the Hellcat and getting the truck aligned. However, that's not how the video planned out. So in turn, we're going to be doing the first, in quote, mod to the Hellcat. Not a big mod. Cost me 14 bucks, but it's like the little things that matter. And obviously we got another mod in the trunk, but my tools are in the truck. So until we get the truck up here, we're not going to be doing the second mod, but I'm going to tell you what the second mod is. Look at this guy. Look at this little spider. Anyway, in the trunk, I've got a box. As you can see, Mopar original products. So, I'm going to give you guys the quick trip I took to Columbus, show you what I was going to do, and I'm going to show you how it didn't turn out like that. And now we're here, so roll that footage. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is actually a crazy day. First things first, the temp tags on the Hellcat expire today. I don't know if this video is going up today because this might be a really long day and it'll go up tomorrow, but they either expired today or they expired yesterday. Yeah. So we're going to Columbus. We're going to pick up the plates for this car, the license plates. I do say plates, but I'm probably not going to put the front one on, which is stupid because Ohio just passed a law that next summer you don't need a front plate anymore or something like that. So why wouldn't you just enact it right now? Why wouldn't you, you know what I'm saying? Because we used to have why we have to wait a year? Makes no sense. Also should be getting the truck aligned, and we might do something small to the Hellcat. It's gonna be a crazy day, but I should be in Columbus and hopefully back tonight as well. If not, I'll be back tomorrow morning. But first thing I need to do actually is program this garage door opener to my home link in the car, which I've never done, so we're gonna find that out. Okay, so yes, I'm really close, but this is the only way I can capture this. If you haven't programmed anything before, clear all the codes and channels in here by holding the outer two buttons. The flashing light means they're cleared. This is an older garage door opener, so it doesn't have a learn button on the motor. So it should just be able, it's called a non-rolling code. So we should be able just to program it right here and we won't need to go inside. And just like that, you saw it flash. That means it should be learned technically. Let's see. Holy cow. That was a lot easier than I thought. And I was pushing that off in all my vehicles because I thought it'd be a process, but no. That was quite easy. It's a beautiful thing. And 40 minutes later, we made it. Oh, look at them back together. Dang. All right, so we got our new plates. We're gonna put just the back one on. And then I also gotta run to the store and find some more of these Allen screws, because when I took my running boards off, I completely misplaced them. Somebody found one of them and I can't find the other 7. So I'm going to go to the store, pick up some of these. I'm going to put my running boards back on. I'm going to put the plates on, knock things out before we go get the truck aligned later tonight as well. So let's knock these things out right now. as you can see, we're back. That's obviously not how it goes, and that's, you know, there's things in life you got to deal with. If things that are important to you, you need to take care of them. Make it happen. I know these videos recently have been way all over the place, but like I said, big things in my life happening right now. We're taking care of that, but once I get the truck up here next week, everything should be back to normal. So bear with me on that as this windstorm is happening. But as you can see, Mopar original products. If you guys know me on my truck, I use as many OEM parts as possible on my vehicles because the quality wise. Like my truck, the fender flares, the headlights, cab lights, stuff like that. Everything I put on, factory. Use a factory. Same thing with this Hellcat. Factory parts going on. Now both of these are not big, crazy. Oh, this is really windy. Big, crazy, awesome, outstanding, like wild mods. Those are coming. I'm gonna tell you about those in a second. But these are little, and details do matter when you're doing builds like this. So first thing, what is this? These are OEM splash guards. I have not seen a 2019 Charger with the OEM splash guards yet, so that'll be interesting. And then the next thing we got, which is the $14 mod that we will be doing in this video, that will honestly change the look of this car more than you think, which is something I've seen more common recently, is OEM Hellcat valve stems. So we're going to be putting these splash guards back in the box. We'll be doing these very soon, and I'm going to show you why we're doing the splash guards on this car. The car, clean. You just drive down the road, you're kicking all this crap up. Especially with these 295s I put on the rear. It just kicks crap up all day. Look at this, all the way around the back of the bumper. This bottom side can't stay clean, and the way the wind goes on these cars, literally it just sucks up. And look at this, it's just dirty, and it didn't even rain. It's unreal. And up here too, look at this. Look at this. I mean, I didn't even do anything, and look at this, splash. You know, this is worse than, I don't know how, this is worse than my truck. You know, driving down the road, it kicks more water and crap up than I could ever think. So that's why the splash guards need to go on this car, because look at this. But back to these. This is what I see more common, more often nowadays, and it's actually quite surprising. People think nothing of it till they look at a set of wheels and tires that has a different valve stem cap on it. You know, you look at this, you're like, okay, cool, SRT wheels. Dang, look at this. Oh, but look. Normal gray valve stem. Oh, whatever. It looks all normal. However, when we put these new ones on, you're going to look at this and be like, wow, the little details make the biggest difference. Things on order, cold air intake. I'm kind of tired of barely hearing the supercharger. I mean, you can hear it, don't get me wrong, but I want it to scream. So air intake is going to be ordered soon. Other things that are going to be ordered, side markers. I'm tired of this orange. It looks horrible on the Sublime paint. It just doesn't fit. So we're going to be getting the Oracle, I believe, the Oracle LED side markers on this very soon. So other than that, this is going to be the simplest thing I've ever done in my life, I hope. Oh, nice little foam pad here. Oh, hello. Yeah, look at that. They got the Hellcat in it, and it's just a sharp looking valve stem cap compared to, it's just a sharp looking valve stem cap and compared to what comes on here from the factory. And on top of that also, like I said, it's little details that matter, and this, in turn, just looks so much better. Oh, oh, something so simple can look so good. Oh my goodness. Obviously that's upside down right now, but look at that. Take care of this one too. Oh yes. Now like I said, this is something you don't notice. So you come up, you see this parked in a parking lot, and you're looking at it and you'd be like, oh my goodness. Look at this, guys. Like I had the other day I was in the park and these kids were like, "Oh, dude, I never seen a Charger Hellcat before, like in the wild, dude. This is awesome. Oh my goodness." They're looking at it, taking pictures, which honestly makes me feel awesome. But at the same time, you know, you're looking at it, you're like, "Wow, look at this. Oh my gosh, look at the Brembos, the SRT wheels. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at the Brembos. Look at the SRT wheels. Wait, whoa, look at that. Look at that nifty little cap." You see what I'm saying? And the final one. Boom. Just something so simple and small like that, especially being 14 bucks. Different people make valve stem caps that are different. Different for different vehicles. I've seen grenades. I've seen all, you know, the whole 9 yards. You can get pretty much anything. I did want the custom Hellcat ones for this, especially because they're Mopar. And like I said, this is probably something all of you thought about before, considered, and never did. And for how cheap they are, and how big of a statement they actually made. I'm not saying you got to do the Hellcat ones on your truck, but I'm just saying I'm sure they make Dodge ones, I'm sure they make Ford ones, I'm sure they make Chevy ones, grenades, different things. Just a little thing to your vehicle to add your own little touch, your own little spice, which is honestly awesome. That's something so cheap, can honestly make a statement. Cleans up the wheel, really completes it, and just adds that little extra touch that you need to, you know, pull it all together. Yeah, we got a lot coming. June is gonna be insane. The rest of this month should be insane. We got a lot of stuff to finish on the truck before we get down to Daytona. I gotta do the T-case ring. You guys are gonna see that. I gotta get the front drive shaft extended. There's other stuff I gotta do to get the truck ready for other events and stuff this fall. We got a lot coming, including a storm, apparently. Bear with me here, and I appreciate all your support and stuff while I'm, you know, transitioning in this part of my life. I got a lot of informational videos coming for you guys and stuff like that. Stay tuned. It's gonna get wild, and like I said, we're getting there, guys. But guys, in the meantime, I want to say thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, shoot a thumbs up. If you haven't been here before, please get down there, click subscribe. Take care. I will see you guys in the next video. And yeah, we'll be getting the truck up here very soon. I'm excited. See you guys in the next video.